recently were at a session of Manitowoc University, held regularly at the Manitowoc Education and Technology Center, where we took the opportunity to talk to product specialists about their equipment and the innovations in design and construction that helps operators achieve more with less operational cost.
Today I'm going to be talking about the Delfield 6000 series single section reach-in refrigerator. Delfield 6000 series overall dimensions: 25.5 inches left to right, 79.5 inches tall. Key point being 79.5 inches tall, it's going to roll through a standard door opening, and it's 32.5 inches front to back. Maximum capacity of a food service refrigerator. And it is a food service refrigerator. It is designed to maximize the shelf life of food that is stored inside. You should think about the interior of this cabinet. It is an ABS thermal-formed line unit with 13 molded-in shelf supports. No shelf clips are needed to move the shelves around in place. Very easy to make changes to the shelves. As well as the molded shelf interior can hold 12 by 20 sheet pan, or 12 by 20 pans on each of the glides. It's also deep enough front to back to hold an 18 by 26 sheet pan on the shelves and still allow the door to shut without any interference. The actual interior liner of the door is ABS. It's an excellent thermal break. It extends out past the gasket as well to allow for protection of that valuable gasket. The gasket itself is a dart-style gasket that is easily removed without tools and allows preventative maintenance to be done on a timely basis. Notice too that the actual door that itself, it's full-length door. Half doors are available as well. The door has a nice stay open feature. Past 90 degrees, it stays open on its own. Bring this past 90 degrees and it's a self-closing. And that allows for a food service box to be used appropriately within a kitchen. If I'm going to load this unit using a 18 by 26 sheet pan, I don't have to hold the door open with my foot. I can actually slide it in and then close the door. The actual interior of the cabinet, as you notice in the back, does have ribbing at both the back and the bottom to promote airflow inside this cabinet, ensuring proper food temperatures inside this unit. It also contains the self-contained refrigeration unit up on top with the back coil in one assembly. It's a top-mounted refrigerator. A lot of the competition has bottom-mount refrigeration. Think about some of the things that bottom-mount refrigeration does. Yes, it may be a cooler spot in the kitchen, but yet what does that compressor do? It's processing the heat out of that cabinet and dissipating it into the room. As an operator, that heat would be coming upon me and making it very uncomfortable to work around this piece of equipment. Think too, when you go to open the door on this unit with a bottom-mount refrigerator, where does that heat go? It goes inside the unit and thus warming the interior cabinet. Now the compressor needs to run harder to ensure the proper temperatures are maintained inside the cabinet. The unit's refrigeration system does use a TXV valve. That is to react to the temperature changes within inside the unit. It calls for more Freon to bring those temperatures down as the door openings take place. The actual refrigeration system on top is self-contained and is a component that can be lifted off the unit and allowed to be replaced. Perhaps maintenance needs to be done. That unit can be unbolted, put on a tabletop, maintenance done, reinstalled. That creates some flexibility as well with this Delfield 6000 series. You can change the refrigeration on this particular box by lifting that off, taking a refrigerated unit off, and changing it to a freezer. That becomes something that's very valuable in the customer's eyes for changing out the design of the unit. Perhaps it's a hospital with multiple units. They can change the refrigeration package out to change it from a refrigerator to a freezer if their design flow in the kitchen changes.
So when you're looking for the benefits of refrigeration designed for the food service industry specifically, combined with energy efficient performance and assurance of safe, fresh food, even in demanding conditions, choose Delfield. Temperature management, precisely.